Welcome to Wardy Screencasts. Today we're going to go over how to find some cool slide templates for Google Slides. You could do the same thing for PowerPoint. When you're doing a presentation, you don't want to use the boring templates that come with Google Slides or PowerPoint. It looks like this. There are about 8 or 10 other ones. We see them all the time. But one of the tips that my class has gone over is to try to use some other customized templates so that we're not using the same thing over and over. And you can find something like this online very easily. And I'm going to show you how. All you do is go to Google. You can type in Google Slide Templates. Slides Carnival is pretty good. Free Google Slide Templates. There's a few others. We're just going to pick this one up for now. And let's go for elegant. We're going to be elegant today. And you see it, there are few that you can go through. Which one do we want to pick? Ooh, affiliate. Let's go with that. Alright, so all you do is you just click on it, and there's more if you wanted to. Click on it. And then you get like a little preview, say, alright, is this what I'm going to really want? Has some instructions. See what the pull-out quotes. Kind of get an idea. Alright, I'm liking this. So use this presentation. Simply click on it. Wait for it to open. Then, because it's view only, you want to make a copy of it. Make sure I'm in my. We'll make sure you're in your Google account that you want to use. So I'm going to hit File, Make Copy. Now, instead of just saving it in my drive, it's kind of hard. You want to organize this. So for me, I've actually created a folder called Google or Slide Templates. Actually, you might want to do this. So this way, I have them. I can come back to them. You know, at some point, you might want to reuse the same one. So I'm going to select and just copy of affiliate. We're going to hit OK. Close out the old one. This is going to load up. And now suppose I want to do a presentation on presentations for my language arts class. Imagine that. I'm going to have this open. Now I'm going to make another copy simply because now I'm going to do my actual presentation. But instead of it being in slide templates, I'm going to go back. I'm going to put this actually in whatever the project is you're working on. For me, it's language arts, presentation literacy, and we'll just put it in here. We're going to select that. We're going to call this template lesson. Template lesson on templates for presentational literacy on presentations. Yeah. Now, while that might seem like a few steps, this way you have it saved, the template, and now I can actually just go and make my presentation. And I can say, you know, all right, suppose I want to open with a quote. So what I might do is duplicate the slide, pull this up to the top, and then put whatever quote it is, pull quote I want to use. I'm looking at my board and I see one that says never, never quit. Which kind of reminds me of the growth mindset. So we're going to put that there. Yeah, and then maybe the next part is you want to have your title slide. So I'm going to duplicate that, bring that up. You can change the picture out. What I'm saying is you can do, now it's your presentation to mess around with. There's different ones like pictures and all kind of stuff. I'll duplicate the slide. When you're done, you say, all right, I have everything I need. All these template slides, just go through and I'm deleting them. And then you'll have your presentation. That really is all that there is to it.